ZANU-PF in Masvingo has replaced the former Gutu East legislator Benjamin Ganyiwa and ex-Ward 10 councillor Jainos Mudoni following the expulsion for allegedly aligning with the Vice President Chiwenga in what insiders say is part of a broader bank of dissenting voices against ED 2030 agenda. Sana vina mashukomdanyo ropana hapa tunaona aiwa councillors and loyalists of VP Chiwenga were deleted. The ruling party ZANU-PF subscribe or like on the bell icon. The ruling party recently held primary elections in the Gutu East constituency to select new candidates for the parliamentary and council seats previously held by these two. Ganyiwa and Mudoni's removal is widely viewed as part of a strategic cleanup operation targeting individuals perceived to be sympathetic to Chiwenga's growing influence within the party. The primary elections attracted 6 contestants for the Gutu East parliamentary ticket. Jaire Washe, Majisingise, Christopher Mashuro Maone, Peremu, Robert Chikumbo, Nicholas Chimane, and Phineas Chagonda. Voting took place across 26 district centers, drawing significant attention from both party faithful and political observers amid swelling fractional tensions. The winners of these primaries will represent ZANU-PF in the upcoming by-election, whose dates are yet to be officially announced by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Their move to replace the Chiwenga-aligned officials comes at a time when internal power struggles are threatening to fracture the ruling party, with the speculation mounting over mnangagwa's succession plan and Chiwenga's ambitions to take over the presidency. Thomas Kwarkono kopana pakunzi aiwa loyalists are VP Chiwenga panguva ino will replace iwa. But tukona kuti these guys vari kuuya vachiti anti 2030 agenda panguva ino unongumuka wakatofaiwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa musoro pichiitiko chimina comment section yedu. Tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.